Today is Wednesday, September 11, 2019, Singapore Lentor Loop, north of Singapore. You can see this Oriental Garden Lizard, quite a big one. I'm at least 15 feet away, but he's careful. Look at the beautiful color, the bronze color, the long tail. And I shall not go nearer because he might just jump up. Now, as you can see, this is the second one I've seen today. There's another one further away of a similar size, and they look quite adult. You can see the size, the color. Now, could this be male? I wouldn't know. Now I try and get closer and see whether it allows me to get closer. About 10 feet away. See the beautiful markings, the long tail, the sunlight, the morning sunlight about 9:30 a.m. onto him. The two colors, dual color. Upper body is sort of bronze or brown, and lower one is green. So beautiful. Now I shall go closer a bit. See, he goes up. About 6 feet away, he climbs up. So I better stop now and this is just a record. September 11, 2019, Singapore, Oriental Garden Lizard.